Stop dust from spreading during floor tile removal by isolating the work area and keeping surfaces damp. Start by shutting off your furnace and air conditioning to prevent dust from circulating through ductwork, and then tape over supply and return vents with heavy-duty painter's tape and plastic sheeting to seal them. Lay down a few layers of damp towels or a mop wet runner along the threshold to catch grit each time you enter or exit, and routinely rinse or replace them so they remain effective. Create a dust barrier using Zipwall or plastic sheeting hung from the ceiling to the floor, and seal edges with tape to form a negative pressure zone when paired with a window box fan blowing outward. Work in small sections and wet tiles lightly with a spray bottle or mop as you lift or chip them to keep particles from becoming airborne, but avoid pooling water which can damage subfloors. Use a room air scrubber with a high-efficiency particulate air filter placed outside the barrier, pulling air through the barrier and out a window. Or, at minimum, run a shop vacuum fitted with a high-efficiency particulate air filter near the action while you work. Always wear a properly fitted N193 respirator and eye protection, and change disposable gloves and coveralls, or launder reusable gear promptly to avoid carrying dust to clean areas. Common mistakes start with leaving the HVAC system running, which instantly distributes dust through the house, so shut it off and tape vents before work starts. People often try to dry sweep after demolition, which only re-airs settled particles, so finish with a vacuum equipped with a high-efficiency particulate air filter, and then wipe surfaces with damp microfiber cloths. Another frequent issue is inadequate barriers where gaps at the floor or ceiling let dust escape, so run plastic all the way to the floor and seal seams with tape, and use a box fan exhausting outdoors to create outward airflow. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like tile removal, helping us find local professionals and letting contractors find work through posted project leads. We also host a discussion community where we share practical tips, product recommendations, and real-world solutions for keeping dust under control during demolition.